These are the BWT under-sink filters available at builders. With this range of easily installed units, you can filter your water, making it safe to drink and protect your appliances at the same time. The filters come in different options to suit your particular needs. For good tasting and healthy drinking water, the SCUF all-in-one filter is the one to go for. It filters out chlorine, heavy metals and bacteria up to 0.02 microns, which is perfect for reducing germs and providing good drinking water. This filter lasts around 12,000 litres or about 6 months. But if you don't want to put in the all-in-one filter, there are some other options to go for. The SF1 and SF5 remove particles of 1 and 5 microns respectively. Removing particles is imperative if you have systems directly fed by your water line, like coffee or ice machines. This prevents blockages and damage, keeping your systems running for longer. This filter must be changed every 6 months. The SC filter uses activated carbon to remove chlorine and residual substances that cause bad odors and tastes in your water. This will last about 12,000 litres or every 6 months. These three filters can be used separately or in conjunction with each other depending on your needs. But it is recommended to use the SF filter before any of the others to prolong effectiveness. Installation is easy using the Woda Pure filter heads and some flexi hoses. What you will need: a filter head for your selected filter, an extra flexi hose per added filter head with 2 3/8 to 1/2 inch fittings per head, 2 shifting spanners, thread tape, and a screwdriver and screws. First, turn off your water, drain your water line, and undo the flexi hose fitting from under your tap. Attach this hose to the inlet of your filter using the reducer fittings to fit the hose. Add a second hose to the outlet in the same way and then reconnect it to your tap. Now secure the head to the inside of your cupboard and insert the filter. I'm using the SCUF all-in-one filter. If you are installing more than one filter, simply add filter heads and flexi hoses in the same way as before, having your additional filters in series. Remembering to have your SF filters first. Now turn on your water and open the tap. Now do a first flush of the filter with 4 litres of water to activate the filtration medium and rinse out any residual sediment. It's that easy. Now this is just one of the filtering options available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.